Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my top tip for glowing skin. Follow this step and you will have radiant healthy skin in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. Hydration. Stay dehydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and flush out toxins. Step 2. Balanced diet like fruit, vegetable and enough proteins. And step 3. Cleansing. Cleanse your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. And step 4. Exfoliation. Exfoliating scrub being applied to the face. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Step 5. Moisturizing. Use a good moisturizer suitable for your skin type to keep your skin hydrated and soft. Step 6. Sunscreen. Apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 daily, even only cloudy days, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Step 7. Sleep. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. Step 8. Exercise. Regular exercise increases blood flow, which help nourish skin cells and keep them healthy. Step 9. Avoid harmful habits. No smoking signs and a glass of wine being pushed away. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol intake both and can dehydrate your skin and lead to premature aging. Step 10. Stress management. Some meditating or doing yoga. Practice stress management techniques like meditation or yoga to keep your skin looking its best. Step 11. Face mask. Use hydrating and brightening face masks once or twice a week for an extra glow on your skin. Step 12. Consistent skincare routine. Follow a consistent skincare routine with cleansing, toning, and moisturizing to maintain healthy skin. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. See you next time.